If you've been asking how to start making money from your Facebook page, pay close attention, because today I'm breaking down what Meta requires for one to monetize their page. No fluff, just facts. Let's get straight into it. These are the official Facebook page monetization requirements from Meta. First, the basics. You have to have at least 18 years. Then secondly, you have to have a Facebook page and not a personal profile. Your country needs to be eligible for monetization. And you have to follow all of Meta's policies, no shortcuts. Now, here's where most creators get stuck. Your content has to follow the 3 sets of rules: community standards, partnership monetization policies, and content monetization policies. Now, this means that no copyrighted music or video clips, no fake followers or bots, and no reused content which isn't yours. Originality is everything. Now, the numbers you've been waiting for. For in-stream ads, that is, earning from video ads, you need at least 10,000 followers, and then you have to have 600,000 minutes viewed in the last 60 days and at least 5 active videos. For stars, where fans send you tips, you just need 500 followers. For subscriptions, that is monthly supporters, you need either 10,000 followers or strong engagement like watch time and interactions. And for Reels monetization, you need consistent original content with good engagement, and it must be available in your region. Quick reality check: not every country is monetized yet. And I know that's frustrating, but this is something that we have to keep pushing for, because Facebook monetization can actually change lives. Here's the truth. The secret isn't gaming the system. It's original content, consistency, and real engagement. Do those 3 things and you will get there. If you already meet these 3 qualifications and you're ready to take things to the next step, DM me right now. Let's create, grow, and monetize together. Hit subscribe for more updates, and I will see you in the next video.